In the field of life sciences, quality control is no simple task. Every step in R&D and production is subject to subtle changes in environmental conditions, testing challenges, and strict regulatory requirements. Even the smallest deviation can have unpredictable consequences. Against this challenging backdrop, Elabscience has committed to a path of rigorous quality. We recognized early on that a robust quality management system is essential to meet these challenges. That's why we implement ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 quality management systems and ISO 45001 occupational health and safety standards. Each system is more than just a certification. It's our pledge to clients to deliver products that reflect excellence in every detail. This year, we welcomed clients from around the world who visited our production facilities, R&D labs, and quality control departments. They saw firsthand the meticulous processes and dedication to quality that guide every aspect of our operations. And their recognition is a reminder that we must continue to uphold these standards as we move forward. To enhance quality control even further, Elabscience has heavily invested in smart manufacturing technologies. Every machine and process on our production lines has been optimized for automation, enabling precise monitoring and real-time feedback while minimizing human error. This investment boosts our production efficiency and creates a high-performance cycle where problems are identified and addressed immediately. On this path toward excellence, we understand that quality is not a fixed target, but a continuous journey of improvement. Looking to the future, Elabscience remains committed to a client-first philosophy. We are dedicated not only to meeting client needs, but to anticipating their challenges and expectations. By upholding our commitment to quality as our lifeline, we pursue ever higher standards to make our products and services synonymous with trust and reliability for our customers.